Hello students, in this video we are going to solve a nice algebra problem. We have a plus bc, this is equals to 2021, and another equation is ab plus c, and this is equals to 2020. Here abc all are belongs to integers. Here we need to calculate the value of a, b and c. Let us consider this is an equation number first and this is an equation number second. Now if we subtract equation number second from first of all, if we write a plus b c, this is equals to 2021, and another equation is ab plus c, this is equals to 2020. Now subtract this equation from this, then here minus and here minus, then a minus ab, a minus ab plus bc minus c, and this is equals to 2021 minus 2020, this is equals to 1. Look carefully left hand side, these two terms and these two terms. If we take common a, here a divided by a, then you will get 1 minus ab divided by a, then here minus b, and here if we take common plus c, bc divided by c, then here b minus c divided by c, then here minus 1, and this is equals to 1. Now here we have 1 minus b and here b minus 1. So here if we take common negative 1, a times 1 minus b, and if we take common negative 1, then here negative c, and this 1 is negative, but here if we take common negative sign, then this minus 1 is positive and this b is positive, so this b is here negative, and this is equals to 1. Now 1 minus b and this 1 minus b is common, so if we take common 1 minus b, then you will get here a minus c, and this is equals to 1. Now we have 1 minus b times a minus c, and this is equals to 1. Now we know that a, b, c all are belongs to integers. So if a, b, c are belongs to integers, it means 1 minus b and a minus c also belongs to integers. This and this also belongs to integers. And in right hand side we have 1, and in left hand side we have two factors. First factor is 1 minus b and second factor is a minus c. Now if we make factor in right hand side, then factor of 1 is 1 into 1 and minus 1 into minus 1. So we have two cases. First case, 1 minus b, this is equals to 1, a minus c, this is equals to 1, and another case 1 minus b, this is equals to minus 1, and a minus c, this is equals to minus 1. Now first we will solve this case and then solve this case. Here 1 minus b, this is equals to 1. Then you can say minus b, this is equals to 1 minus 1, minus b, this is equals to 0. It means value of b is equals to 0. In this case we have value of b is 0. And look carefully equation number first. Equation number first is a plus bc, this is equals to 2021. A plus bc is equals to 2021, and we know that value of b is 0. So this 0 is multiplied by c, then you will get 0. So here a plus 0, this is equals to 2021. So value of A is equals to 2021. Now look carefully this equation. A minus C, this is equals to 1, and value of A is 2021 minus C, and this is equals to 1. Then minus C, this is equals to 1, and this 2021, if we take right hand side, then this is minus 2021, then minus C, and this is equals to 1 minus 2021 is minus 2020. Then value of C is equals to 2020. So in this case, value of A is equals to 2021, and value of B is equals to 0, and value of C is equals to 2020. Now solve this case. Here 1 minus B, this is equals to minus 1, and A minus C, this is equals to minus 1. A minus C, this is equals to minus 1. Now this implies minus B, this is equals to minus 1 minus 1, then minus B, this is equals to minus 2, and if we multiply both sides minus 1, then you will get B is equals to 2. Here value of B is 2, and look carefully equation first again. Equation first is A plus BC, this is equals to 2021. A plus BC, this is equals to 2021, and this B is replaced by 2. So A plus 2C, this is equals to 2021. Now solve this equation and this equation. We have A minus C, this is equals to minus 1, and another equation is A plus 2C, this is equals to 2021. Now if we subtract this equation from this, then here minus minus and here minus, then this is plus A and this is minus A, both are cancelled out, and minus C minus 2C is minus 3C, and this is equals to, this is minus 1 and this is minus 2021. Then you will get here minus 2022. Now if we multiply both sides negative 1, then you will get 3 times C, this is equals to 2022. If we divide both sides 3, then value of C is equals to 2022 and divide by 3. Then here value of C is equals to 674. Now we have an equation A minus C, this is equals to minus 1. A minus C, this is equals to minus 1. Then A minus value of C is 674 and this is equals to minus 1. Then A is equals to minus 1 plus 674. Then value of A, this is equals to 673. So in this case we have value of A. Value of A is equals to 673, and value of B, this is equals to 2, and value of C, this is equals to 674. This is our final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.